Best penny stocks to buy on April 21st, 2026, part 1. Number 1 recommendation is Electro Sensors, stock symbol ELSE. It is up today 72% or $3.19, trading at $7.62. Since this morning, it already traded only 328,000 shares. Market cap is $27 million. So this company is from electronic equipment and instrument sector. What can I tell you? I mean, the stock was pretty much a deadbeat stock that was hovering around $4 for the last 6 months. Nobody was trading it. Nobody cared about it. However, they released some kind of news today, and suddenly the stock is up 72%. But the trading volume is very little. So I would be kind of concerned why nobody jumps on this thing, because it's going like crazy. So, but maybe this whole thing just started because I usually don't cover stocks above $5. However, once the stock is covered by this app and it suddenly jumps during the day over $5, it will remain inside of the app and basically still be reported. So if I were you, I would definitely go and take a look and see what's going on there, because usually this type of companies of electronic equipment and instruments sector, they don't produce these huge daily winners, and then when they do, it's something special. So take a look. Maybe it's worth your while to put some money into it. Next one is Republic Power Group Limited, stock symbol RPGL. It is up today 56% or 25 cents, trading at 70 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded 103 million shares. Market cap of the company is $31 million. So this company is from information technology services sector. What can I tell you? I mean, it's a crazy stock. Back in November, it used to trade at $50 a share. But then something happened, and the stock just collapsed to $10. And then from $10, it collapsed all the way to 10 cents. So, and basically it was just doing nothing, just staying at a super low prices. Nothing was happening. And suddenly today some kind of news were released by this company, and obviously, you know, it generated record trading volume of 103 million shares, meaning that there's a lot of new buyers are coming in and basically trying to acquire the shares, even though they're up, you know, like crazy today already by 58%. So, but in light of artificial intelligence developments, what we see is that a lot of companies that are connected to computers, software, and IT in general start to introduce AI component into their business, into their software, into their services, and obviously that could trigger a massive, massive rush to buy these stocks before they're too expensive. And this one you could get for 70 cents. I mean, the thing is that if you decide to pull the trigger at 70 cents and this thing goes back to, let's say, its previous levels of $50 a share, I mean, you could make like, I don't know, 40 times your money, or 4,000%. So take a look. It's a hot area, and I think it could be a hot stock. Take a look. Next one is Fitness Champs Holdings Limited, stock symbol FCHL. It is up today 36% or 8 cents, trading at 30 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded 208 million shares in the first 90 minutes since the market opened. But market cap for the company is just ridiculous. It's $366,000. I mean, you could buy the whole company for less than what the house costs in America now. So what can I tell you in terms of, oh yeah, and this company is from Miscellaneous Commercial Services, which could be practically anything. So the interesting thing about this stock, though, is that 6 months ago, it used to trade at $8 a share. And then it collapsed all the way to like 10 cents, you know, and it was collapsing so like predictably, so like, you know, structurally, so to speak, basically losing money practically every month. And nobody was trading it, nobody wanted to touch it. And today, out of the blue, we got 209 million shares being traded just in one day in the morning. So that tells you that something important is happening there. The market trusts the news that the company reported, and obviously a lot of people are pulling the trigger trying to get in. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look, see what's going on there, because if you decide to pull the trigger at 30 cents a share and this thing goes back to $8 a share, I mean, you could be looking at about 20 times your money, you know. So that's kind of crazy, but 2,000% you could earn that stock if it goes back to its previous levels. So take a look. Next one is Local Bounty Corporation. Stock symbol LOCL. It is up today 46%, or 86 cents, trading at $2.74. Since this morning, it already traded 66 million shares. Market cap of the company is $62 million. So this company is from financial conglomerates sector. What can I tell you? I mean, 6 months ago, it used to trade at $3 a share. Then it collapsed all the way to like 50 cents. But in the last, I would say, week or so, the stock started to climb up. But it was climbing on very little volume, so the increments in stock price were not that significant, not to become like the leader in daily gains. But finally, I guess they released some kind of news, and the stock is just, you know, going crazy today, you know, attracting 66 million shares in trading volume, when before it was 100 shares a day, if that. So, and obviously the huge jump of 45% just tells you that something major is happening there. And it might be connected to AI as well, because, you know, financial conglomerates, they do rely a lot on software products, on apps, and basically IT services to serve the clients. So maybe this is the trigger here, but you have to check it out and do your own due diligence to, you know, make sure you understand what's happening. Just be careful. If you decide to pull the trigger right now at $2.74, you will be buying it almost at a 6-month high, which is a dangerous proposition. If something goes wrong, the stock would collapse. So take a look. Next one is Dreamland Limited. Stock symbol TDIC. It is up today 35%, or 22 cents, trading at 90 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded 16 million shares. Market cap of the company is $7 million. This company is from Miscellaneous Commercial Services sector, so we don't know what they do. But the main thing is that 6 months ago, they used to trade at $3 a share. Then they collapsed all the way to 40 cents. Today, they released some kind of news, and they're getting, you know, not record trading volume, but serious trading volume, and they're up 32%. So take a look. Maybe it's worth your while. If you want to find out other great penny stocks to buy, go to this website, 4pnn.com, and download my app called Penny Gems that covers 2,000 penny stocks. Thank you for your time and good luck trading. Bye bye now.